Alright, YouTube, today we're going to start with something very simple for me. I've done tons of these. So you got a light out in your vehicle. A lot of people have issues with this because they haven't done it before, but it's not worth, paying to have it done when it's something that you can very simply take care of. Right now we're working on the S10. Don't have a bulb out, but just to show you for practical purposes how to go about. For this particular truck, there are actually two screws that hold the light assembly in. Got this one here and this one here. Okay, push it out. This is the difficult one I had earlier. Okay. Slide out. Alright, now in here you have your actual bulbs. Okay. When you know which one's out, you can actually go in, get replacements from the local auto store, and you literally just take one bulb out, whichever one is out, plug it in. What I always like to do is, once I get the bulb replaced, before I put the assembly back in, I will actually go up front and check, make sure the brake light works, whichever bulb I'm replacing. If you hold still here, bear with me, I'll go ahead and hit the brake, make sure my light's working. And as I said, this is something very simple that you can do. Simple tools. The S10 happens to be a Phillips screwdriver. Some of them have Torx bits also. You can actually go to local hardware stores like Harbor Freight, Lowe's, Home Depot, or even your parts store and get Torx bits if you don't have any, flathead screwdrivers, or Phillips screwdrivers. Once you know that the assembly works again, for this one you'll see I have two slots here, and here are the actual mounts for the screws when they go in. Literally slides in. I got my two alignment pins there. This one is a little rough just because of the truck. Put your two screws back in and then you're good to go. Alright, thanks for watching.